How to connect Spotify to Tinder profile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Spotify to Tinder profile. To do so, first of all, open your Tinder application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and this will take you to your profile page. Here tap on the pencil icon just above your profile picture. Once doing that, you will be taken to the edit profile section. Here you will need to scroll down until you find this My Top Spotify Artist option. Tap on the Add Spotify to your profile option below it and now this will take you to a new page. Here you will need to allow Spotify to connect to Tinder. Scroll down and tap on this Agree button in order to authorize. Soon after doing that, you will see you have successfully added your Spotify account to your Tinder profile. So by following the steps, you should be able to add Spotify account to your Tinder profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.